My name is Wendy. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I am just going to be talking about kind of the countdown that I have towards taking my Network Plus certification exam. So this course is part of WGU's, I think the title of the course is Networks. I forget the number right off the top of my head right now. But I just want to show you guys kind of what I'm working towards as I'm doing like a final countdown. My term ends not at July 31st. Sorry, my brain is feeling very fried today. I've been studying basically half of my day. So yeah, my current term is going to be ending in July, in the end of July. And so I am working towards finishing up my Network Plus certification exam. And so there's a lot to work on, guys. I'm very glad to have found Professor Messer videos. Really, if you're going into any CompTIA A Plus, Security Plus, Network Plus, any of that, you're going to find information about Professor Messer out there. I mean, he has for sure made a name for himself because of the awesome material that he has out there. So I actually purchased his course materials. It's only $25 and totally worth it. And I'm using those as I'm watching the videos that he has available on YouTube. So I just want to share what I'm working on. So of course I have the videos right here. Today I actually finished domain 2, so I'm really proud of myself for that. And I also wanted to show kind of what I am applying, because I feel like part of learning, it's important that learning isn't just about like finishing your exam and then passing the class, but it's being able to actually apply what you've learned. And so previously I took a course that helped me prepare for the CompTIA Project Plus certification exam. And I took that exam, and part of the learning material introduced a kind of project planning scheduling tool called a Gantt Chart. And I found one like online. Actually, I used the Windows Excel sheet. They have like different templates that you can use, and I looked up like an easier one that I could use on Google Sheets, and I found a really nice one. I'm actually going to put that in the description of this unedited version of this spreadsheet, but this is the one that I'm using. And so I'm just going to show you guys. So first of all, I think a major part of taking any type of certification or exam or whatever it is that a person might be like wanting to achieve is first believing that you can do it. And sometimes that has been a hurdle for me, like having the confidence, or rather not listening to the limiting beliefs or the limiting doubts in my mind. So I like to always affirm you are CompTIA Network certified. I put that. So I put little stuff here and there. But so ask and it shall be given to you. Seek and you shall find. Knock and it shall be opened unto you. And I look at that every day. And actually, I recently not only just I look at it every day because I'm gonna come out of scene here so that I could grab this. I used to carry this around for my Network Plus. It's just like a little piece of cardboard, and I write those same words. And for the A plus, I just said it is so wonderful now that I'm CompTIA certified. And then on the other end, it has the ask and you shall receive. And I used to carry this around. That's so old. I used to carry it around for the period of time that I was studying for the A plus exam. So this is kind of like putting it on my Excel sheet, which I look at every day. It's kind of like an extension of that. And I found this Gantt chart because I was really feeling very frustrated and overwhelmed. Like, where do I really start with studying for this? And so I found this Gantt chart and I began yesterday. And so what I've done here is I've added like the different tasks that I have to do. one is watching the Professor Messer videos and taking notes while watching those videos. And I'm actually gonna add here, edit, and take Amplifier Practice Questions. And those questions are provided by WGU, and this is my progress thus far. So I've done domain 1, and this evening I completed domain 2, and so I have more than 50% to go, and I'm hoping to take this exam on the 15th. So today is the 14th. When I post this video is going to be the 15th. I want to take it on the 15th of July. And the reason why I need to take it, or I want to, is so that I can have an easier transition into my next term. I can go into that later on in the video. But so the first phase is to watch the videos, take the notes, and take the practice questions on Amplifier. And maybe I could even do this for now so you guys can see. And then the progress is just to indicate, is it done? Did I do that? Yes or no? And then I have the start dates right here and the days that I'm giving myself to take towards completing the different domains, and then when it should be the end date. And it's really nice to keep kind of the format in the spreadsheet, because let's say, just in case, like, oh, actually I thought I was going to spend 2 days, but here I am, I spent 1 day. I can just press 1 and it's going to adjust all the different days. So that's really cool to keep, even if maybe if you're using this to study or even to kind of document how you're doing. Like, this can be helpful. Just keep copying the formulas, or if you even know how to write the formulas on Excel, go ahead and do that. And then my second phase is going to be to do the different lessons, to read those different lessons that are offered through the CERT Master Learn Network Plus. So I haven't really started reading these. I actually only read lesson 2 because when I was going through this portion of like Professor Messer, I was totally lost. And this portion I think is dealing with cabling, like the Ethernet standards, and is it 1000 base XT, and is it like, there's so much in this material. So I kind of read through this. I can't even really explain it to you because I'm just learning this stuff, but I read through this, so that's why here it only shows 6%, but technically I haven't really started any of this, and I plan to do this once I hit my second phase of my learning. So I'm just gonna kind of create a follow along of me working towards that goal. It's gonna be about a month, 30 days exactly, I guess I should say, from tomorrow. And yes, I'm just putting myself out there and sharing my experience and sharing the things that I'm using, what's going to work, what's not going to work. And I hope you find this helpful if you're studying for the Network Plus, or you're studying in general, whether you're through WGU or through the plethora of other means that we can get education these days or learn these days. I hope you at least feel encouraged that I'm a fellow learner, and this learning is going to be a never-ending experience. So let's make the best out of it, and let's share with each other what it is we find helpful. So I just wanted to encourage you, and today I spent a lot of my time with my baby girl Lita here. Yep, that's what she does while I study. But I love her. And I hope you guys found this encouraging. So for the rest of the day, right now it's about 8 o'clock, almost 8 o'clock. I'm just gonna go take a walk. I mean, there's been a lot today. My brain is really feeling fried. But I'm very grateful for the opportunity to learn this stuff. So have a good day, and thank you for watching. Bye.